Really say guys for the people, good morning, Linjani, Muribwino. It's your girl Sharon Chipomanzera, all the way from Lilongwe, Malawi. How are you in Zimbabwe? I am fine here in Malawi. So guys, for the people, I have got another gist for you. Let me update you what happened yesterday. This video is from yesterday. Guys, we woke up at 9 a.m. early in the morning and I was very tired because I had a caustic journey which was very tiresome. So Gogo was like, no, Sharon, go to the shops and buy food. She said you have to go and buy eggs, bread, and whatever you want. She gave me 50,000 kwacha. I didn't know anything about the kwachas. As someone who is now living abroad, I cannot speak in Shona. How can I speak to you in Shona while I'm in Malawi? I am overseas. I went overseas by tar. No Shona manji. Look at me. So I decided to buy water because you know me very well. I cannot go hand in cloth and hand in touch with any type of water in my stomach. So I decided to buy water. I didn't know how much that water was. So I went to the till. This lady who was in this shop, actually that guy with the green jacket was our driver yesterday. Today he decided to fall sick because we were very troublesome yesterday. We spent the whole day moving around the city with him. So he was tired. I think he was hungry. I don't know. He was hungry. He wanted the sada. He wanted whatever he wanted. We don't know. Now, we decided to buy this type of bread. Guys, Washington thought that the bread was not nice. It's 3,200 kwacha. Kwacha! They call it jumbo bread. I think it means that's the best bread in Malawi. For any Malawian person or the people in here in Malawi, you can tell me if this is one of the best bread in Malawi. What surprises me is this. I saw some people buying a lot of proton bread in Zimbabwe. I was like, where are they going with this bread? Maybe they were taking this bread to eat. I don't know. My English is disappearing. You guys, for the people, pray for me so that I can keep on updating you. As someone who is abroad, I should start speaking in English so that everyone can understand me. We went to the till and Washington was like, are we going to to be full with one loaf of bread? I said, how many loaves do you want us to buy? He said, you should buy 2 loaves. You see. Then I said, okay, fine, let me run it back. When I was about to pay for the water, I asked the till operator how much it was to buy a 6-pack of water. She told me that it was about 19,000 something kwacha. So I was like, okay, fine, let me actually swap those 3 bottles of water and take the 6-pack of 2 liters. I like water. Water is life. Water is everything. And I was not sure if this water was going to taste nice. So this is Washington. He wanted to talk to you guys of the nation. Let's hear what he's saying. Okay. Oh. It's
my first time to test out to be foreign.
So apo Washington angaenda kudi kundosamvura kuti now the spirit of trying to shop what I was not sent to buy but it had touched me with the power of the grid and the power of the force. Now Washington wanted my battery for that small machine he was gonna use kana taenda kupi kusite kuno measure whatever. It was a big land. Sakani akati no, I needed batteries and we have the batteries. And that's when we were about to pay, and I was confused. I was a confused cockroaches. I asked the driver, could anditore the video. You see, now I am seeing myself in the mist. I don't even know where this cloud came from because when I was taking the video, there was no mist in this video. So I don't know where he touched it again. So let's hear what I was saying. I'm the interpreter of my videos.
Like, what is it that you know about?
My mom is from
15,000.
So is which one?
So this is 15,000.
I don't know how to Daura.
How is that? You are doubting.
20,000.
You are doubting
So
one.
our change is 200 kwacha.
No, 2,000.
2,200 kwacha. You know
2,200 kwacha.
Oh.
So, guys, we're enjoying Malawi.
Oh, okay.
We're here till maybe next week, Monday. We don't know yet. So, 1, this is our change 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We've got 30,000 kwacha. Guys, with the people, I will not be speaking in Shona with you. Starting from today, I'll be speaking in English because I'm not international. I'm international, so be with me, guys. I'm trying to fit in. I don't have to speak in Shona. Why should I speak in Shona when next time I'm abroad? Right now I'm abroad in Malawi. We've got a limousine. The person who invited us here, our sister Anna, she's got a limousine, guys, and we've got a driver. He's the one who is holding the camera. I will show you when I'm going to the limousine. So she sent us to buy whatever we want. She gave us 50,000 kwacha. And she said that we have to be very careful when it comes to this money because we are still confused. We don't know anything about this money. So right now we spent 17,800 kwacha, meaning that we are left with this is what, 30,000, right? Plus 2,000, 32,200. We have to go and buy eggs, tomatoes, and onions. So let's go. Washy, you're no longer speaking in Shona in our videos.
You can show them.
You can show them.
This is
Okay.
2,000.
So this is 2,000 kwacha. 2,000 kwacha. This is 100 kwacha. It looks like 10 boards. This is 100 kwacha. 100 kwacha. So this is our total change. We have to go and look for eggs, tomatoes and onions, maybe and baked beans. Let's go.
What's your workout?
When you come to Malawi.
I came
Yesterday.
yesterday, last night.
Come,
Yes.
Then we figure out good. So in there we'll teach you how to speak to Chewa so that you can communicate
Actually,
easily.
Chewa is much close to Shona. There are some ways that if I
So
hear
let's
this
go,
as
guys.
a Chewa and
No,
Chewa
no, no.
speaking,
Quick, oh,
I
you
can
want to
pick
buy?
some words there.
Okay.
Yes. There are so many ways that are common.
So you have to learn Chewa. Oh, okay. How long you been here in Malawi?
Only for 3 days, 4 days.
Because I'm based in Zimbabwe. But as they were speaking yesterday, I would pick some words that they are talking about this. That there are so many ways that speak.
Only,
Yes.
only, the legs.
Only from Blue Woods.
And they,
And the sun.
Yeah.
And what?
guys, this is our limousine.
Yeah, pleasure.
Oh my God.
This end from Malawi, but it's now ours.
Okay.
I don't think does he speak Chichewa? I don't think so. So you're 3 minutes from Zimbabwe.
Vlogging. Guys, we are now entering our limousine. Yes, limousine. This is the mirror. Guys, when I was growing up, I used to see these things, you know, from television. Is this me in a limo in Malawi? They are saying you should not smoke in this car. See? That's okay.
Yeah, partly.
Partly, Jay.
Got the gray glasses. No glasses.
Hey, Wendy,
Yeah, it's now clear.
I wonder we. Right, so let's open the window.
Don't lock your car. Your car is not locked, right? Oh, yeah, yes, I'm still.
Right. But ndoda kuvhura, guys, ndada kuvhura nepapapa. See, I didn't know that I have to use this handle to open this door. Oh my God.